Good, what's good, what's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay, Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. How you? What's goody, what's good? Hey guys, first things first, for the new people that don't know me, I just want to introduce myself. My name is Jay Jordan. And guys, for you don't know, I actually help people make money online or money from home. So if you're looking to make money from home, nice to meet you. This is the right video that you definitely want to be watching, because I have something to share with you today that's going to definitely benefit you and your family. So if you are a newbie, you're looking for a way to make money online, then you definitely want to just watch this video, okay? Now, for me, guys, I've actually been online for the past, four years now, guys, and I've actually, when I first started off here, I started off with a little company back in the day, and that company is actually still around. A lot of people were involved in it. A lot of money was being made, and I come from that, So when I started promoting that, I never kind of was one of my first things that I got involved in. Well, one of the second things that I got involved with, and from there, I never looked back, guys. As far as making money online, once I started seeing that I could help so many people, once I started seeing that people were just like me, they wanted to change their life, they didn't want to do the same exact thing that they had been doing for the past 10-15 years, so everyone, a lot of people that I was running into was kind of just over it. So I said, let me just figure out this world, let me learn the game. And that's what I did. I got under mentors that was teaching me about systems and marketing and follow-up series and capture pages and traffic. I never knew what any of this stuff was until I got under someone that was making $1 million or more a year, guys. And they showed me literally everything, okay? So under the same thing, I wanted to show you guys the same exact stuff that, as far as being positioned, For you guys that don't understand, no, network marketing or online marketing, no, it's not a scam. Affiliate marketing is something that's very big, and let me just show you guys. See, this is what I wanted to show you guys here. Walmart affiliation here. So affiliate link. So what you can actually do is become a member and advertise Walmart. And when people buy something, you get a commission. What is the difference between this and you joining another business opportunity that allows you to do the exact same thing? All right? So this is just Walmart. Let's say Best Buy does the same exact thing, guys, where you can actually become a member of an affiliate, and once you're a member, you're able to go out and sell their particular products on Walmart or drive traffic to them, and they're going to pay you when people decide to buy. This right here has been around forever, guys. It's just some people are not educated with what we're doing. So when you become an affiliate marketer, you're actually becoming you're getting either reseller rights to sell a product, or you're a part of a company that allows you to go out and tell others about it. And when you tell others about it, they're going to pay you. Why do you guys think so many jobs are being, why so many jobs are closing? Because online, because of technology. So guys, you have to learn how to do the same exact stuff. We're trying to teach you guys how to do this. There are so many people making hundreds and thousands of dollars online from simply doing this. Shooting videos, telling people about things that are going to help them. Telling people about things that are going to help their life moving forward. So this is why I wanted to do a comparison and show you guys that there's no difference. Why wouldn't you jump aboard of something that allows you to make anywhere between $300 to $2,000 to $4,000 a day? Guys, I've shot in previous videos about this, and I literally have people making that type of money a day. Literally. And if you don't believe me, let me show you. Let me just show you here. So I've actually still have some screenshots here from earlier. Okay, so here's a picture here. This was my upline. He made $4,000 in literally one day. And I wanted to share this with you guys. Just showing you how he made this type of money here. So these are just shots that I've had on my computer, and I wanted to share this with you guys here. Okay, and then we have Pandora right here. Pandora made $500 in one day. $500 in one day. Would an extra $500 a day help you and your family? Would an extra $500 a day be something that you and your family could benefit from? Literally. You know, so I'm actually breaking this down. I'm explaining all this, just telling you how it is. Now, here's the thing is that normally I will offer you all type of traffic bonuses and stuff like that. I'm still going to do that, okay? Now, when you join me and partner with me in this system, decide to check it out, guys, I'm going to give you my actual social media ads training. You're going to have the social media ads training. On top of that, I'm also going to give you a ManyChat training as far as that goes with your ads. So when people comment, info, emoji stuff, you're going to be able to send them messages directly from your Facebook fan page automatically and be able to do this. So regardless of how many people ask for info, the systems automatically works for you, goes out and sends them messages. Now here's the thing about this as well, is because email open rate is going down. We all know that. But when you learn to use Facebook Messenger, the open rate is almost at 100% pretty much, man. People open their messages all the time. So this allows you now to pretty much build leads that way and send out broadcast messages as well. So I'm going to give you that particular training when you partner with me also, because I want to see you succeed. Okay, so I don't want to hold you guys up. I just wanted to make this kind of a cool short video just to let you know that there's things that you can definitely do out here, that you can make a lot of money, you know, with these affiliate programs. And it's not just online stuff, guys. It's Walmart, Best Buys. You look at these companies and look them up. They all offer affiliate programs. So you can definitely jump in and be a part of something like that as well. All right. So if you think that this video have helped you, you know, and I've kind of, you know, explained it and broke it down and let you guys know what affiliate marketing is and ways that you can make money with this, then hit that like button. Share this video. You know, if you think that you're too damn rich, that's cool. Share it with somebody who you think that can benefit from this video. All right. And if you think that this may be something for you, click the link at the bottom. I would love to work for you. We got private Facebook groups that we want to bring you in and get you going. So, you know, sky's the limit. It's all about you just locking in. All right, so I'm going to wrap this video on up. This your boy Jay. Man, have a beautiful and blessed day. Peace.